The first step is to enter the registered app interface. Click Add Lock. Click Lock. According to the prompt, lighting the screen and click on the next step. Click plus. Name the smart lock, then click next. Now, you can use app unlock and operate smart lock with phone. Next, I'll show you how to add a password. Click Get the Password. The upper right sign is the send password. Upper is the type of password created. Choose time-limited password. Select the date below the item. Setting the password's validity and expiration time. After setting, click to get the password. The password has been generated and now can be unlocked with the password. Note, passwords should be used at least once within 24 hours of their validity. Otherwise, it will fail. Others in same operate way. After setting up, click to get the password. How to add IC card. Click IC card on app home page. Click on the top right corner to open them. Click Add IC card. After entering, set the name of IC card to be added this time. Then set the card's expiration and expiration time, or choose permanent. Click the next step after setting it up. Place IC card on the panel. Swipe card according to the prompt. After the successful prompt come out, you can use IC card to unlock. Adding NFC also uses adding IC card operation method. Back to app home, click fingerprint. Click on the menu in the upper right corner. Click Add fingerprint. Name the fingerprint. Then set the validity and expiration time of the fingerprint, or choose permanent. After setting, click Next step. Click Start adding. According to the prompt, input your fingerprint. Repeat until complete. Now, the fingerprint has been added. Please try to unlock with the added fingerprint.